Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and today I have a huge exclusive holiday card making kit to share with you. It is my freebie for the Card Makers Success Summit. The summit runs July 16th through the 19th and my class is on Sunday the 19th. If you've never attended a summit before, this is a free card making retreat that you can attend in the middle of July. All you have to do is grab your free ticket. So I've linked to that free ticket at the very top of the description box below. It is an affiliate link. It lets them know that I sent you. So hopefully they invite me back. I have been wanting to do this summit for years. I've attended many of them and I just think they do a really nice job. I have designed a free kit for you that is holiday themed with sassy, snarky, funny sentiments and some sweet ones. I've got you covered if you're not into the snarky ones. And I'm gonna walk you through that kit today. I want you to see everything that's in there. There's no membership required, so everybody gets every page. If you're looking at me like I'm nuts, right? Because it is June as I'm telling you about this. You're like, girl, I don't make holiday cards until November 30th. Okay, cool. There is a paid ticket that would give you access to these classes later on. So you can watch them in the fall when you sit down to do your holiday card making. That paid ticket will also get you all of the images, digital paper, and ephemera that are in my kit as digital stamps. So you can resize them, duplicate them, change the background, all those fun things. And if you buy that paid ticket, I have a bonus kit for you. I know, I didn't even know this was possible. Randy, who runs this, was like, hey, did you know you can give people another bonus going this way? It's like a technical thing I was unaware of. So excited. So the kit that is the bonus kit, I will walk you through at the end of this video. It was previously released for the Stress-Free Card Maker Summit in 2024. It's been a couple of years, and once that summit ended, there was no way to get this, and it's got adorable holiday winter critter images, some great holiday sentiments. So I'll show you that one as well. But let me know in the comments if you've attended the summit before, and which of the summits you've attended are your favorites, because I love giving free things away, and if I can find more ways to do that, I will. Let's take a look at the kit. So the first page contains the general supply list. This is really about a fun fold where you can mix and match all kinds of supplies that you already have. But if you have questions about my paper or printer or anything like that, that's over here. I want to emphasize, I think the paper you print on is far more important than the printer, but I've tried to include everything for you. Then down at the bottom, I have links over to my YouTube playlists that contain all of the emergency card kits I have ever released. We've got over 100 kits out now, and it's a really exciting place to get lots of freebies. On page 2, you have a card sketch with instructions for making a flat A2 card. And then below, a cutting guide if you want to do a fun fold instead, along with instructions and a diagram to keep things really quick and easy. The next page has 4 card layouts. You can make all of these using the free kit that's included here. I love free stuff, but sometimes I get overwhelmed. So this is hopefully going to help you get started and make cards right away. Then we move into my favorite part, the sentiments. Our card sketch has room for a focal image that is 2 3/4 by 4 inches. So I have 3 sets of these for you, A, B, and C. And this one has a background, an image, and a sentiment. And there's 4 of them. On the next page, I removed that background in case you want to add your own digital background. And then the next page is just the sentiment in case you want to use die cut images or stamped images. This leaves you all kinds of room. Whichever page you choose, this next one coordinates. So we're gonna go like a book, left to right, top to bottom, and they're gonna coordinate with the rows here. So I have, do I look like I've been nice? 1 day of coal, 364 days of fun. I'll take my chances. This was not on your list. Just pretend you absolutely love it. Dear Santa, why you be judgin'? This is as merry as I get, wishing you a tolerable holiday. And then on all of the pages like this one at the bottom, there's a more generic greeting. You could use maybe a die cut sentiment on the front. It says, sending you a very merry, oh so merry holiday season. Again, we'll cut these out together so you can see how to use the tick marks if you're new to my kits. So then this is set B. We have the same 3 pages, right? Background, image, and sentiment. Then I have removed the background, and then I removed everything except the sentiment. They're going to pair with this one, and we have Merry Christmas with a question mark. Don't get your hopes up. From the windows to the walls, I'm about to deck these halls. Naughty list, guilty, and you know I'd do it again. Merry Christmas. And we're going to use this one today all by itself without an inside sentiment, but you could add, I can totally get you on the naughty list. And then at the bottom, Christmas wishes from our home to yours. Hugs. So that's set B. And then we move on to set C. So we have everything: background, image, sentiment. We have it with no background. We have it with just sentiments. And these are going to coordinate with our inside sentiments here. If I had any more Christmas spirit, I'd start pooping jingle bells. That's my 8-year-old's favorite. That's the card he wants for Christmas. I'll be home for Christmas and in therapy by New Year. This holiday fueled by spiked cocoa and festive sarcasm. She was one figgy pudding away from an ugly Yuletide meltdown. We'll use her today. It's like every holiday mom I've ever met. And at the bottom, holidays can be awfully hard. Sending love and hugs. So that again is 3 sets of 4 sentiments, 12 total with insides. And then we move on to pattern paper. These first 3 are 2 different versions of the same pattern. So this one is a little smaller of a dot than this one. It's slightly bigger than an A2. And then this one, you could rotate your A2 either direction, and then that would fit really nicely. We have it with a white background, a light pink background, and a light blue background. After that, all of the pattern papers are a full 8.5 by 11. Most printers are going to cut off the edge of that. If you have borderless printing, however, it will print all the way to the edges if you select that option. So you have this great polka dot, then presents in pink, purple, and teal. And I tried to make it so a lot of these pattern papers will stretch you year round. That includes this one of my favorites. There are a lot of organic shapes, so I like to add a geometric pattern, and we have these great like square triangle combos. So gray, pink, purple, teal, and then this one's like a grayish purple. I love it so much. The color palette is pretty consistent through the whole kit, so you should be able to mix and match your papers without any problem. Our next pattern is a peppermint stripe, and you're going to get a light and dark in each. You can see the thinner stripe better over here on this dark one. I printed mine on white, but I could choose to print this on a purple cardstock and get a really great tone-on-tone pattern. So we have 2 shades of purple, then we get 2 shades of blue, 2 shades of pink, 2 shades of teal. I'm on team teal, let me know. What team are you on? And then we get this great snowflake pattern. It's harder to see, I think, on some of these light colors, but snowflakes are geometric, right? Perfectly symmetrical. And then we get this grid that's geometric, but because they come from nature, they sort of feel organic. So you get a little bit of both. We have purple, light blue, teal, pink, and dark purple. I hope you're as excited about that kit as I am. I just think that it is so funny. I also wanted to give you a sneak peek of the fun fold that we're making. I have this one. She was one figgy pudding away, and then it opens and you get this great flip-flap action from an ugly Yuletide meltdown. It is every mom I've ever known. At some point during the holidays, raise your hand if it's been you. It's definitely been me. As promised, I have a bonus kit to share with you, but just a reminder, the event is July 16th through the 19th, and you need to grab your free ticket to attend the summit and to grab the freebie. Okay, so free ticket linked at the top of the description box below, and then this bonus kit is if you buy the paid ticket. So it's only a paid ticket bonus kit. If you have any questions, certainly reach out and I'll do my best to answer them. Let's take a look at this bonus kit. I have updated the label on yours to indicate where you got it from if you get it as this bonus kit. But we have all our standard circle sentiment and rectangle sentiment sizes, so it's super versatile. Happiest holiday wishes. Best wishes this holiday season. Peace on earth and good tidings to all. May your days be merry and bright. Merry Christmas to all and all a good night. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. So it's real small going around the outside, more decorative than anything. We have this lovely like vintage Santa and the same sentiment around the outside. Season's greetings. Season's greetings, Santa season, present season, family season. He sees you when you're drinking, and we have a vintage Santa with a beer. Oh Christmas tree, your pretty lights are history. I prefer a white Christmas, but when the white is gone, I'll drink red. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Last Christmas, I gave you a card, but the very next day, you threw it away. Meowie Christmas. We have a little cat peeking up above. So we have our circle sentiments here, and then the circle sentiments, and I've removed that printed circle. And then here we have the same sentiments, but a couple of these we have sort of an outside inside option, which I really love. So it's sort of sweet on the outside, a little sassy on the inside. Also released for this summit, there were 2 card sketches. So you have all of your measurements here, and then on the next page, you have a fun fold. It's a pretty simple fun fold, and you have a template that's to scale. So even without the video, you should be able to make that no problem. Then we have our strip sentiments. These are 1/4-inch strip sentiments. There are tick marks to help you cut them out. And we have 2 separate, more whimsical fonts here. Black on white, white text on black, and white text on red, which I love for the holidays. Then we get those same sentiments with a scripty font and a classic serif font. Black text on white, white text on black, and white text on red. Then we have some great patterned paper. So on this one, you get the same print, but directionally, you've got a couple of options, right? One for a portrait and one for a landscape card. It's these really great sort of icicle-y trees and some snowflakes. And then this is one of my favorite papers I have ever made, and you're gonna get it in 2 colorways. So we have red and black, and we have red and green. And I gotta be honest, I'm not sure which one I love more. This big chunky penguin just cracks me up. So we've got this guy, and then we've got some snowmen going the other way for a really great fun winter scene. We have a beautiful snowflake that you zoomed right in on, and then this lovely holiday village scene. I have one more page for you, and this is the best part of the whole kit, my friends. Look at how stinking cute these critters are. We have some reindeer, we have 3 penguins up here, a couple of foxes, owls, puppy dogs, some kitty cats, and some fun winter trees. So again, this bonus kit is available for the paid ticket members. As soon as you buy that paid ticket, I believe it will pop up with a link for you to go over to my website and grab the free kit. If you have any problems with that, reach out to me, sassysllc@yahoo.com, and I will get you all sorted out. Don't forget to grab your free ticket from the top of the description box below so you can grab the larger kit that I showed you today. I can't wait to see you there.